Planner 5D versus Magicplan. Let's start with Planner 5D. Planner 5D is a user-friendly drag-and-drop 2D 3D design tool for home interiors. It's popular among homeowners, interior designers, and hobbyists who want to visualize furniture and space layout. Magicplan, on the other hand, is a professional-grade floor plan and report tool that uses your phone's camera to scan rooms and automatically generate floor plans, estimates, and reports. It's ideal for contractors and inspectors. So let's start with the pros of Planner. So Planner offers an easy-to-use platform for beginners and non-professionals. It also offers a huge library for furniture and decor items. It also has a 2D to 3D switch, which is very seamless, and it's great for home design visualizations, and it's available on web, iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac OS. Now for Magicplan. Magicplan offers a precise room scanning with phone camera or the LiDAR. It also creates reports, floor plans, and cost estimates. It has a built-in measurement tool and annotations. It's ideal for professionals like real estate, inspections, contractors, and it syncs with external tools like Excel, PDF, or cloud. So use Planner 5D if you're a homeowner, DIY designer, or interior enthusiast looking to visualize and decorate spaces with ease, and choose Magic Plan if you're a contractor, inspector, or real estate pro who needs accurate measurement.